Imagine someone makes a sujood to an idol, but as a joke. Is that shirk? Now let's apply those definitions. Write your answers in the chat. Exactly. Exactly. Yes. No, if a joke, it's not a shirk because shirk, we say, meaning, but when you say it's made a shirk, it means that he worships something other than Allah. The only worship, the worship, it becomes when it is a result of conviction that this idol can bring benefit and harm. Now, here we clearly say that it is a joke, right? So it's not a shirk, which does not mean that this action. Now you see, joke is not allowed. So what does it mean? Joke is not allowed. This it is not just say not right. It's absolutely forbidden to do that. You will find scholarly statements who say that the person who have done it, he have left the deen because he have done the action which is clearly comes from the kuffar. So he's taking the deen lightly, and we don't take the deen lightly. But that's a separate discussion, the topic of kufr. We are discussing at the topic of shirk. So certain thing, so shirk and kufr is not the same. Every shirk is kufr, but not every kufr is shirk. Because every act of associating something with Allah, it is the disbelief, and that's the disbelief which happens on the level of heart. But disbelief can also happen on the level of what we say and also on the level of what we do. You will find Qadariyat in his book Ash-Shifa Bitarif Hukuk al-Mustafa. He makes many examples of certain statements which done about Rasulullah in a disrespectful manner that constitutes disbelief. That's another thing. Absolutely, people are ignorant today. I'm saying it without exaggeration. That people out of ignorance start making assumption, and people think in the same way as I need to enter. Let's say if person want to become the deen, he has to say shahada, so he has to formally enter the deen with intention. People assume that in order to leave the deen, person also has to formally announce and formally make intention to leave the deen. This is not the case. As ulama say, it's very easy to enter the deen, even easier to leave it. You don't need even two witnesses to live at the deen, because there are certain beliefs, actions, and words which contradict the meaning of La ilaha illallah, and we will be explaining it why, and take the people out of the deen without people being aware. That's a serious thing. This is a serious discussion, like where does it come from, what are the proofs, what constitutes this belief, and so that's a separate discussion, but that's something to study. Even that's before we're gonna start with things related to tahara, salah. So no, this foundational thing. So one of the things is that we don't make jokes about anything of the deen. A person cannot out as a joke start putting on himself, for example, a dress of a Christian priest or Christian monk, which is a unique religious dress, how they distinguish, for example, wearing cross and religious symbols. This is clearly, first of all, haram, and secondly, this is taking the deen lightly, and taking the deen lightly is the kufr. So it is, you were wrong in that part that you're saying it cannot be done. You were wrong, you were right on that, but you were wrong in the fact of trying to say that this is ibadah, because ibadah comes as a conviction that this or that can benefit and can harm. Let's try again. Visiting graves for blessings, cure, to get dua, respond, controversial topic in some circles. Is it shirk or not shirk? Let's try again. Second try. For example, I say, look, I'm feeling sick. Let me go visit this dua, this kabar. I know people who visit this kabar, they say they get cured. Or, for example, I have exam tomorrow. I go to a chabar of a grad scholar. I'll make dua there, and I hope I'm gonna get a good mark. What you guys say? Maybe he is asking. Astaghfirullah. I'm scared to put this video recording on YouTube. This is, it's like I'm teaching Jamaat Jihad wa Takfir wa Hijr. There was a Jamaat movement which make takfir of everyone and say hijrah, hijrah, hijrah. Okay, look, again, we need to, why I'm giving those examples, I don't want you to speculate. I want you to apply the definitions which are backed by Quran, Sunnah, and the statement of the scholars. We have to ask a question: is this a result? Look, we have the definition of shirk, right? Because shirk is saying that worshiping not Allah alone. How do we know you worship Allah, you don't worship Allah? You worship this or you don't worship? Do you believe that this or that is able to make a difference, to give a benefit, or to give harm? If yes, you believe that, it does not matter is the person alive or dead. If you say, if you come to forget about that person, a live person, you go to him and say, this person has healing powers. He say a few words, it can be dua, it can, no, I say he powers, he has it. And because of this, I get better. Maybe he will rub my hand like this and I'm feeling better. If this a result of a belief that he is able to make a difference, this is shirk. You are worshiping the person. We don't make a difference between person alive or dead. If someone believes that some alive people can make difference in your life and make difference in your life, meaning they actually create us, they actually make impact, this is shirk. But if person believes that only Allah can cause harm and benefit, then this is not a shirk. Then it becomes from the field of aqidah, it enters the field of fiqh, and you say, what is the correct adab of what you call it, visiting the qabr? Is it correct to touch them? Is it correct to kiss them? Is it correct to make sujud to them? Is it correct to do this and this? Then you will find the discussion of this, but they are in the books of fiqh. This is not aqidah. You will find in the books of fiqh, we don't make sujud something other than Allah. But if you made sujud something other than Allah, question, is it shirk or not? What is the belief? If someone have done sujud, for example, to Kaaba, or to a live person, as a just trying to show respect, we say this is haram. We don't. It is haram in Sharia to show respect like that to someone except Allah. The sujood is only to Allah. They say in previous Sharia it was allowed, and that's fine. You'll the story of Sidna Yusuf. You find the stories about Sahabi making sujood to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What Rasulullah said? Rasulullah didn't say, now you are mushrik, say la ilaha illallah, return to Islam, say la taf'al, don't do that. He forbade him to do that because this action is haram. It's something we're not allowed to do. But he didn't say go, say la ilaha illallah, make ghusl, and so on. He did not say you left the deen because of that. Because he knew that it was not a result of belief that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a partner to Allah. No, it is just to show respect to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So you see what we need to understand. When it comes to worship, worship is the result of belief. You cannot worship someone without knowing that you worship them. Because tomorrow I will come and tell you, you were in front of your boss at work, and I show you, and I saw you, you were all, what you call it, your, what you call it when the blood goes away from the face. You were all pale. You were trembling. You could not even speak in his presence. You worshiping your boss because that's the highest level of humility. And I saw him, and I saw you making coffee for him. And in our office is the highest level of humility. No, you can only know it's ibadah or not ibadah by looking at intention by looking at beliefs, because ibadah is the result of the belief, and we don't make a difference, and we make what you call it, we make no difference between alive and dead. No one can help. Dead people cannot help. Alive people cannot help. Medicine cannot cure. Food cannot give relieve hunger. Water, or this is green tea, cannot quench thirst. It's all done by, like Imam Qurtubi was telling us. Okay, I didn't translate this part. That what we are created by Allah, and what we do also created by Allah, not created by us. This is our correct aqidah, but no, yes. Okay, Jamaat. I hope no one from you is going to join ISIS. Maybe after this class, definitely not. Horoscopes, shirk or not? People looking up to. No, guys, you scaring me. You scaring me. Shirk, 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 shirk. AK-47. Shirk, 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 shirk. Horoscopes. Looking it up. Good day, bad day. Healthy day, sick day. What you call it? Dangerous day, safe day. No, don't tell me wrong. Tell me shirk or not shirk. We trying to apply the concept of ibadah. Person who does horoscope, can you say that he's mushrik because he's worshipping stars? You see, I'm not giving random example. I'm giving example so you could apply what we have learned. So shirk or not shirk? Looking it up, saying I am Cancer, you are what you call it? Sorry, I don't know any those zodiac signs in English. Again, depends on belief. Shirk is a result of belief. This is something which is difficult for many of you. I got Liaquat studied that chapter already, right? See, if person believes that stars can influence, it's influence how stars are, they have powers, and through their powers they have certain patterns of how they influence reality in this world. They can harm or they can benefit. If person believes that, person assigns those powers. So yes, they are also lords together with Allah, and then they are also gods. And by just by having this belief, person is already violated Tawhid and became mushrik. Doesn't mean he looking it up in a horoscope or not. It is that belief. And then if a person looking up in horoscope and you ask him, what you doing? He said, well, stars having powers. Don't you know it? It's the powers that they are like, basically saying they are gods. But if person says, only Allah can cause harm or benefit, but for example, person believes that it's how Allah placed signs for us to be navigated in reality. Well, we can argue that correct belief or wrong belief. You can say that weights in Quran and Sunnah if you say it's by Allah. Someone might say, well, there is a natural scientific definition. For example, moon activity has an impact. You know why lunatic is called lunatic? Luna means moon because moon activity has an impact, let's say, what you call it, on our health, like sun activity has impact on our health. And people say, so, and sun activity also, what we're not implying that sun has any powers. This is just patterns, how sunnatullah, how Allah arranged this creation to work, but it's all created by Allah, right? So we just saying that Allah set up this order. No sun, no moon, no stars can have any powers, but in the same way we study science, we study medicine, in the same way we study physics, they say we can also study stars. Some people might come up with scientific explanations that it has impact, for example, on vegetation. It can impact on weather, and this can have impact in terms of, for example, health and disease. And we'll say that specific people who are born on specific day, it has some people might try to make a scientific theory. It doesn't take them out of the Deen of Islam. We can say your theory is right and wrong if it's scientifically we discuss using the natural science. And if the person say no, it is Allah who put it us for us. So is a person trying to say it's part of the deen, part of revelation, we'll ask him, okay, where is it in Quran and Sunnah? Where is it in the words of Allah and the words of His Messenger? How did you understand that, for example, yes, we know that 12 months. How did you understand that this month and this day connected to this star? If it's from Revelation, give us the example from Revelation. If it's based on your scientific observation, well, you can discuss it with the scholars of physics, chemistry, astronomy, whatever. See, it does not take the person out of the deen. The moment you say that they have independent powers from Allah, you're wrong. In fact, we go even further and we say Allah did not even give them any power. But that's more advanced topic of discussion. Last one, writing some ayats of Quran and wearing them as a healing protection of evil eye, what they call in Arabic as ta'wiz. Shirk or not shirk? Hmm? Tawiz is, well, they say talisman, amulet, but I don't care what they say. It's when you write, I take a piece of paper, I write ayah of Quran, and I start hanging it on my neck. So it seems like people became more cautious with using the word shirk as a result of this. Um, as a result of this session. First question: shirk, 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 shirk. Now, like everyone is. Okay, people now become more context dependent, and it's strange. It looks like the moment we're talking stars, it's becoming shirk. The moment we're talking ayats of Quran, it's not becoming shirk. Well, you see, the whole thing, it's actually does not matter. It doesn't matter is it a star or sun or moon. It doesn't matter is a person who is alive or who is in grave. It does not matter is it, idol or cross or black stone. You see, we need to go beyond that. It's all about beliefs. If person believes that as a result of this writing on this paper with this ink, now this small little piece that you're wearing on your neck. Now, as a result of this action, it will have powers, and these powers will bring benefit, remove harm, give blessing, give healing, give protection. If you have this is shirk. And we don't care, is it shirk related to paper which has ayats, or it has stars, or it has verse from the Bible, or from Torah, or from some occult huru. This doesn't matter. If you believe that this small item, well, if you're wearing it out of pride as Muslim, does it look, Ershad? We're going to back to trying to explain is the ibadah to something other than Allah or not? So we focus on this. So if you believe that this little tiny thing is able to make a difference by itself, it has powers, this is shirk. It doesn't matter what says on it. But if you believe that only Allah can cause harm and benefit, this is not shirk. Then we can have a discussion, is it allowed or not?